Hey team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to round 2, where we're going to be doing more math, a lot of math from all the different teacher certification exams. Use this stuff to make it a game, have fun, and learn a whole lot of math you're going to need to pass your tests. Let's take a look at our first set of problems. Let's have fun. Let's go. Hi math team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. We're going to look at a couple of key ideas involving geometry that are essential for these set of problems. Now, they're all going to be involving angles. I want you to take note on each rule. In any type of problem that you have, you always want to look at how they're trying to trip you up. Now, look at it closely. Do you see that the triangle is obscured a little bit by two straight lines, A and B? Now, those two straight lines look like parallel lines, correct? And so you might have been thinking parallel lines, parallel lines remind me a lot of corresponding angles, right? And if you have corresponding angles, you might be like, n has got to be equal to whatever this angle is here, right? But it's not how we're going to go about solving this problem. That line there is actually there to distract you. So we could actually erase it. Watch what happens when we erase B. Look what happens. This line was put in here to distract you. And when we take that line B out, it's a lot easier. Do you see the triangle now? A triangle on a line. It's a lot easier to see that. And if we can see that, the faster we can see it, then the faster we can be like n. It's going to be the sum of the non-adjacent interior angles. We can use that other rule that we learned, right? This is a pretty cool problem, team. All right? Now let's keep going with this. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give it a big thumbs up. Believe it or not, there's not a whole lot of teachers out there that are taking these exams. You're one of the few. So if you like it, you learned something, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend. Maybe check out a workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com at www.GOHacademy.com. I'm sure you'll find those live workshops that we hold very helpful. So check it out. All right, team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Everyone have a great day. I'll see you in class. Take care, team. Bye-bye.